So we're at Val Plaisant project. This is for our low voltage network reinforcement. The mains cable has almost spent its life. We're working collaboratively with our infrastructure and environment, their drainage team, that are subcontracting Geomarine, and they're doing investigation works all along Val Plaisant for any future planning of drainage reinforcement schemes and projects. These works are essential for future-proofing and upgrading our electricity network in this area. So once this project is complete, this will be enabling local businesses and residents to upgrade their electricity supplies and make the switch from fossil fuels to electric if they wish. This is all part of the island's net zero targets.